Hey everybody, Lee from URC. I want to talk a little bit about lighting. We have our own product line of lighting, as well as we integrate with pretty much every major popular brand, be it Lutron, Vantage, anything that's DMX based, which is mostly the low voltage LED lighting, color beam, etc., as well as Philips Hue and Shelly products. And they all integrate into the same lighting module, so even if you mix and match, they all show up in the same place, which is great. Integration to things like Lutron and Vantage is super simple. It's a matter of adding the module, tell it the IP, the login and password, and we pull everything from Lutron. There's no duplicate programming. Makes your life really easy if you're doing Lutron or Vantage. With our own lighting, it's really simple. We have our own gateway, TRF-ZW10. This utilizes Z-Wave to talk to our dimmers. This can be PoE powered, it's just an Ethernet port, or we do include a power supply. And these can be placed wherever you want then. We can have up to 3 of them, so if we have a difficult, challenging location like a guest house, pool house, that you can't reach with mesh, we can put another unit out there, or we can locate them across floors. However, it makes it very flexible to use. Simple product, nice and easy. And one dimmer, or switch, or accessory, with or without neutral. It's one product. It makes it very easy. We don't need to know what's inside the box. We don't need to know what goes where. It's all done in the programming. Makes life very easy. This is all native with an accelerator, quick and easy to program. It's a matter of giving these to electricians, they install them, you come back and program them off after. Makes it a whole lot easier. Again, simple, one SKU. It's kind of like the old Model T too, right? Only comes in white. Have any color you want, as long as you want white. Except, very cost effectively, we have a color change kit. It's a matter of snapping that off. And the great news is that can be done post-installation too. So we got white in, or we weren't sure, or it turns out they changed colors in some rooms, no problem. Very inexpensive. These can be snapped back in later. This uses standard Lutron Pantone, so if you want to use the Lutron screwless covers, you can, or use them with whatever. Yeah, everybody uses those same color codes. That makes this really easy and simple to do. It's a great, scalable, cost-effective solution.